Hey guys, Willie and Murphy here, and welcome back to part 2 of the Classic Mini rebuild. In today's episode I am going to be draining the oil and the coolant. I'm going to be removing the rocker covers, hopefully getting that cylinder head off. Again, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show. I'm not sure about the battery life on these cameras at the moment, but hopefully we'll try and get through as much as possible. And yeah, I've got an hour for my lunch break, so I can plod through as much now. I'm just going to sort of blitz through it, and all being well, I'll have this stripped down in next to no time. So let's get cracking. Oh, and we're off. So quick look underneath. Looks to be in pretty good condition, really. The gasket doesn't really look to have blown, which is good. So right, I've managed to wind 2 bolts onto here. through the damaged thread and get that off. So the head is now off, all the studs are out. I can then clean the cylinder block, I can clean the cylinder head, I can relap the valves. And I'm pretty sure that's a good place to stop this episode. So if you have enjoyed this content, as always, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any future content. We are pretty much at the point where the tailwoods can turn around now and we can start rebuilding this. But yeah, pretty happy. So clean up stage next and then the rebuild. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.